With crypto prices doing as well as they are, everybody is getting excited about a potential FOMO rally that could set up new highs, not just for Bitcoin, but altcoins and meme coins as well. Now with that, that's the exciting part. That's the technical part. That's what is currently happening. Let's talk about some of the fundamentals and some of the new floors that could be set up, because Shiba Inu coin ETF could be on the horizon. It says why the new SEC guidelines could fast track an approval. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, a Shiba Inu coin ETF launch. Why these guidelines could fast track approval. It says that the SEC has approved the generic listing standard, which could pave the way for the launch of Shiba Inu coin ETFs. This is based on the fact that Shiba Inu coin has been listed on Coinbase Derivatives, a CFTC regulated exchange, for over 6 months, which is the requirement under the new SEC rule. Meanwhile, KCEX protocol is providing a platform where investors can unlock fresh liquidity and so on. It goes on to talk about the KCEX protocol offering a broad collateral support and more, and the benefits of borrowing and so on. So this entire article is about KCEX here. But let's talk about utility meme coins and these ETFs that are upcoming, right? Meme coins right now are subdued in price. And they're subdued in price because of one thing: sentiment. Right now, prices are doing good right now. There's no denying. $122,000, $4,500, $232, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on. But if we look at the Fear and Greed Index, it is at a level of 57. And historically speaking, 57 is relatively low. Now, if we go back to the times in February into March of 2024, this is when meme coins were running. This is when Shiba Inu coin was hitting 4,500 points per coin. This is when a lot of the Solana meme coins became very, very expensive, and Solana's network was actually congested. What do you notice? Extreme greed. Now, this only lasted from essentially the end of February or beginning of March through March. This was like 3-4 weeks that we had. If you take a look at the end of 2024, now this was all of the election speculation that took place, right? And meme coins were soaring. This is when tokens like Trump were hitting $80. I think it was like $73 per coin. This is when Shiba Inu coin was up to about 3,500 points per coin, and meme coins were ripping higher. Now, where are we here? We're at a level of neutrality. We cannot expect meme coins to thrive when people are not excited, when emotion hasn't taken over. But what is it doing? It is rising and rising fast. And as the Fear and Greed Index continues to rise, breaching this level of extreme greed should cause an influx of retail meme coin buyers. And as such, Shiba Inu coin should continue to move to the upside. Now, today's a very volatile day. Luckily, we are seeing a lot of gains across the board, but the intraday pullbacks, the intraday highs and the lows, they're extremely volatile. And Shiba Inu coin is not immune to that. You can see a very large candle to the upside, downside, and we're right about even on a doji here at about 1260 points per coin, where Shiba Inu coin will open and potentially close as well. But with that, guys, we could be setting up for a technical break out of this descending wedge, and when SHIB breaks technical patterns, it rips higher every time. This one, I mean, this is the 2021 rally here, right? When Shiba Inu coin ripped up, breaking this technical level of resistance, it blew to 3,500 points per coin. When it broke that level, it blew up to 8,800 points per coin. And yes, it is consolidated ever since, except for a few major runs where Shiba Inu coin has broken its technical barriers. The ETFs are just the icing on the cake. We've got everything that we need right now with a rising market, rising sentiment, and a potential FOMO rally on the horizon to drive the price higher. But institutional investors, through these Shiba Inu coin ETFs, could revolutionize the game and send prices to new all-time highs, which is exactly why I continue to accumulate. Now, one of the places that I am buying SHIB and other cryptos is the KCEX exchange. You guys got a link for that down in the description below. That's what you see on the screen right here. You can buy on up to 75x leverage if you would like. Some of the cheapest fees in the entire industry, 0% maker, 0% taker. You're not going to find cheaper anywhere else. Bitcoin and major altcoins are 0.01%. So you are paying if you're playing Bitcoin or major altcoins there. But I'm also diversifying into these tiny little tokens like Maxi Doge and so on. If you guys are interested in any of this, you get links for everything down in the description below. Let me know what you're buying, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.